in this video, we're going to look at creating this batt insulation in our walls. And so this batt insulation is actually a line type. And so let's go over to a new project here. I've already set this to be imperial with our units, UN on the keyboard to do that. Let's go up here and draw a line. And we're going to draw a line right here, and we're going to type in 10 feet. And this line might be a little bit bigger, so let's zoom out a little bit. We're going to offset this line 5.5 inches, so I'm going to type in 5.5 and use the quotation button. And we're going to hit enter. We're going to click our line and offset up. And typically with a project, we would click a line type, and I'm going to hit escape. Actually, I still got my offset going. We'd click a line, and we'd actually go up here into our line types or our line styles, and we're going to click other. We're going to go up here and click load, and we can go down to, for example, hidden line. And we'll click hidden line here, and we'll click OK. And let's click this line again, and now we have the option to make this line hidden line. So it's just going to be dashed like that. And so let's set this back to our original line type. I want to draw some insulation perfectly in the center of my wall. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a line between these two lines. And what that's going to do is it's going to give me the ability to draw in the center of this. And so I'm just extending this line a little bit past so you can see it. Let's grab our line here and just delete it. And so you can see we have this middle line in the middle here of our two stud layers. And let's go to other in our line types. And we're going to go up here to load. And you'll notice there actually is a line type called batting. And so we're going to load in our batting type here. And we're going to click OK. And let's grab our center line again. And let's change that to be our batting type. And so this line is really small. It could also be really big depending on the scale of your project and everything you have going on here. Let's change this to 1/4 inch scale. It might not change. And so that it could be annotative. If it's not, we're going to actually type in LT scale here. And LT scale is going to allow us to scale this line type. And so I think it's probably about 3 times the size. So I'm just going to type in 3. Looks like that was a little bit too big. So let's try that again. LT scale. And let's maybe go like 1.5. That's still too big. All right. Let's go to LT scale again. And I don't know what's going on here, but maybe, yeah, I don't know why that was so small in the beginning, but it looks like it's too big. So let's type in LT scale again. And let's go to 0.15 here. And maybe just have to adjust a little bit more. LT scale. Maybe we go 1.4. Sorry, I think I need to do 0.14. There we go. And that fits in. So that's how to draw and change a line type. So we obviously tried the hidden line type, but you can also make this a batt line. And so you may have to adjust that scale, that LT scale, depending on the size of your stud or depending on the scale of your project. So that's how to do batt insulation. Thanks for watching.